Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Amex application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to download your Amex application. Firstly, open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Amex and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. But if the application isn't available on Google Play in your region, open your Google search. Type in Amex app download APK and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Scroll down and tap on the Download APK option. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on the Install button to start the installation process. After the installation process is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you'll be able to download your Amex application on your Android device. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.